Welcome to my channel guys. Today we will see XPath in Selenium. So let's get started. Open your Facebook browser, right click on it and inspect. Now we will identify this phone number. So let's see what is the XPath for it. So what you have to do is right click on the link and go to copy and copy this full XPath. Okay, and press Ctrl F and in the search box paste the XPath. So this is our XPath. Okay, so we will use this in our program. So let's write absolute XPath driver dot find element by XPath. So this is our absolute XPath and we will give input. So for that we will use send keys, and what is the input we can give is let's say Vishal. Okay, so this is our absolute XPath. Now we will see what is the relative XPath. So for that we will inspect this first name and now right click on it, go to copy and copy this XPath only instead of full XPath. Okay, and paste it in the search box. So you will see that this is the relative XPath. Okay, so relative XPath is comparatively smaller in size because it is not using HTML tag completely. So it is using ID, which is attribute of this element. Okay, so we will use it in our program. Now the relative XPath is element by dot XPath, and this is our relative XPath. Send keys and we will give any name like this book is the name. So this is our relative XPath. So there is another method to write this relative XPath is simply use this HTML tag, this input, okay, instead of star. So star represents all the HTML tags. So instead of that you can use just input. So see, there is no duplicate, so it is one of one. So still this way also you can use the XPath. So another way is this. So this is also you can use for identifying the element. So this was our absolute XPath, this is our relative XPath. So let's see if we have identified the element correctly or not. So the major difference between them is that if we run the program, so Java will have to travel from each and every HTML tag, right from input HTML, then body, then div, from div to input, then the attributes. So here we have identified it correctly. This we have identified using absolute XPath, and this we have identified using relative XPath. So the difference here is, see, input div, then again div. So let me show you this XPath in real time here. So this is input, then td1. So this is td1, then tr2. So this is tr2, tbody, table. Okay, form. So where is the form? Here, form is here, then div2, then div, then again div inside the div. So here we have come and it's inside the body and HTML tag. So Java has to travel from HTML till the location, so it will take time. So performance wise, the absolute XPath is not recommended. Okay, is not recommended. Okay, and you can use relative XPath because we don't have to, Java don't have to travel uh, all the HTML tags. He has to directly go to the attribute and it will identify the element. Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. In the upcoming session we will see how to write dynamic XPaths. So keep watching, subscribe to my channel and share it to as many people as possible. Thank you.